change. Hello everyone, welcome to TNC Tech News Channel. Today, I, Dakshita,
and Diksha.
students of grade 8 Math are here as reporters, reporting you about the Inter-House Nukkad Natak Competition. The Inter-House Nukkad Natak Competition was successfully held in our school premises on 13th of August 2025, bringing together powerful performances blended with creativity, awareness, and social responsibility. A total of four enthusiastic teams, the Dograi, the Haldighati, the Kargil, and the Saragarhi house, each participated representing their house with immense dedication and energy. The competition aimed to spread important social messages through street theatre.
After a tough competition and a brilliant performances by all, there is a lasting impression on all the judges and the audience. All participants were appreciated for their acting talent and commendable efforts by raising awareness on relevant issues in a thought-provoking way. So stay with us with more updates in the world of young achievers.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.